What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're replacing the taillights and the backup bulbs on my dad's truck. Alright, so we have these lovely brand new autosaver taillights. My dad just has the factory taillights, and I don't know if this is cracked. I don't know if you guys can see if it's cracked or scratched or what, but these look like crap. And we have some new Oxito reverse bulbs. If you guys remember correctly, we have these same bulbs in my dad's fog lights in the front of the truck. They were gracious enough to send us out another set for this project, so let's get started. Alright, so in order to remove these lights, all it is two 8mm. One is right here, one is right here, and then the entire taillight pops out this way. So now that we have the taillight off, now's a perfect time to clean up the area around the taillight. This was disgusting, so I wiped it off real quick with some quick detail and a rag, and now we can replace our reverse light. So we're actually using these Oxito reverse LED bulbs. These are 2600 lumens. I'll go ahead and link them in the description below if you guys are interested. Just like before, literally all we got to do is unplug the bulb, plug that one in, and put it all back together. Alright, so it's always a good idea to make sure you check the polarity before you put it all back together. So go ahead and put the truck in reverse. Alright, looks like we're good. So we can put the new tail light back on. So the next step is to basically undo what we just did. So we'll go ahead and take these protective covers off of the reverse. So now that we've removed the protective coverings from these holes, we can basically go ahead and reinstall the bulbs. So when you're reinstalling the tail light, make sure you put this locating pin in this hole right here, this little pin right here, and this one right there, and then there's one on the bottom as well. And now we just reinstall our two screws. And here's the finished product. So we'll go ahead and move on to the other side.
Mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat them. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy.
Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. These taillights look freaking awesome, and these reverse lights are extremely bright. So if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and link both of them down below. Thanks to Autosaver and Oxito for sending out these products for us. And we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.